Hi guys, so I have a Colt AR-15 I'm going to do an unboxing of. It's one of their OEM1s. It's a new production Colt, and whenever Colt had stopped their production of their AR-15s, I was like, crap, I should have got some before. I don't know why I didn't, but this is going to be part of me moving away from PSA as a result of their AK debacle, at least for me. So let me show you the box here. You get too long into it. So M4 carbine. It is a it says LE6920 OEM1, but it is a CR prefix. But anyways, let's open it up. What the fuck? That's cute. Alright, well that was dumb. I don't know why that happened. And then you see here, it's got this OEM1 taped, I guess, barcode thing. This is how it comes in this package. And we got the box of goodies. Let's pitch this. No longer beat the box. Alright, so the sister, can't see that really. Mill standard, type 3, and then there's a date on there. It says 2021. That's kind of neat. The fucking sun's coming out. There's that. And then the only thing, remember this is an OEM1, so it's not going to come with handguards. It's not going to come with a buttstock. And it didn't come with this trigger guard here. I installed this trigger guard last night to make things easier on me, because I wanted to put this together quick and then show you what I have for it. I didn't want to have to be beaten on that this morning. Sometimes they can be a pain in the butt. That went in really easy. But here's this. So all they gave me was a Colt owner's manual and the gun lock. I was a little disappointed they didn't give me a magazine, but oh well. That's neither here nor there. Okay, so take this stupid fucking thing out. Nobody cares about that. Alright, so. And I'll put pictures in. I was hoping that sun wouldn't be there. I might start doing these videos inside. But there is the cage code there. And again, I'll take pictures. So there is a cage code there. It is marked MP 556 NATO 1 and 7. It doesn't say anything about being chrome lined, but the barrel is chrome lined. There is no markings. There's an eye there. Again, you can't see. I'll put pictures in. There's an eye there. There's no barrel date code, but there's no other markings on the barrel. And then this one does have 13629 on their upper receiver. I do have the M4 mark on the front. And then if we scroll over here, turn it around, this one is marked M4 carbine, and it's got the pony, and then it also says Colt up there. And you can see this is a CR prefix. It does say Colt Defense, Hartford, Connecticut, safe and fire. This does have the longer safety on it, so it's Colt safety. And this does not have the tick on the other side of the safety. Also, capsule nut is staked pretty good in two different places. Open this up if you want to take a look at the bolt. Dang, sorry about that. Okay, so bolt. charging handle. So charging handle is not marked, which is fine. So it says that Colt grease all over it. You can see, I can't see. There is a C there. Again, I'll take a picture and put it in. This one I was really excited about. So this bolt is MPC. You can kind of see it there. I'll take a picture of it. It's not just MPC, like it's not just like how this is like electro penned in. This is actually stamped in the bolt. So your staking there looks pretty good. It doesn't look as good as, actually no, it's pretty good. Yeah, no, it's good. Okay, now I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to finish assembling this. Oh yeah, and if you're looking here, this is a notched hammer. This has the H buffer. I believe so. I believe all those parts in there are Colt parts. So, alright, hold on. I'll be right back. So, got everything together. I did not put this on yet, and it's going to take a couple minutes. I don't want to deal with it right now. I'll put that on when I get the sling. I have a Vickers tan sling coming for this too. So, this is what it looks like all together, more or less. Definitely fucking awesome. I am so happy with this. So happy with this. In fact, I'm so happy with this, I'm ordering another one. That's right. So where did I get this? So I got this on Arms Unlimited. And if you go on their website, as of right now, they have these in stock. But they have, so a lot of places have these in stock, but they so far are the only ones that I've seen that have the M4 carbine in stock. And it specifically says that this has the OEM1 they have, it specifically says that has the M4 carbine mark on it. So, and I also read from other comments or reviews, other people were saying that it has all the cage codes on it too. So I don't know. I do know that it's been kind of hit or miss if you get all of Colt's cage codes or not. I'm going to order another one and then I'll have a sample of two and we'll see. I'm kind of thinking whenever these first came back around, and I think 21, I think they started coming back out. Late 2020, 21, I think Colt wasn't putting their cage codes on stuff. And I think people were getting pissed off. And then they started putting the cage codes back on everything. Could be wrong. The next one I order could not have the cage code on the receiver. I don't know. We will see. But this OEM1 was only $7.99. And then I had the CAC rail already because I actually have another older Colt upper that I'll do a video on. That's what started this whole Colt thing. I got that, and then I was like, well, I kind of want a Colt lower to put it on, so I started looking at Colt lowers. Well, Charlie's Custom Clones has these M4 LE marked or CR marked M4 carbine lowers for like 800 bucks. And then I was like, well, I'm not paying 800 bucks for a fucking lower. And then I found these marked M4 carbine, and these were only $7.99. And I'm like, well, I'll just order a whole rifle then. So that's what I did. And like I said, I'm so impressed with it. I'm so happy with it. I'm ordering another one. Yeah. And hopefully the next one. Now the one I'm ordering is the M4A1, and that one has. They reintroduced the M4A1, and that one will have the property of U.S. government M4A1 marks on it. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.